Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to reset your iCloud password if you forget it, and also reset the password of your iPhone without losing the data. So to do this we have to install a tool. To install the tool you have to search here FoneTool Unlocker, click on enter button. Now you can see the official website of phonetool.com. Click on it. After that click on the download the setup and it will download the setup for installation. Now you can see I have downloaded the setup, so let's install it. And then click on the install now. It will take a couple of seconds depending on your device. After that, now you can see the installation is completed. After that, click on the enjoy now. Now you can see the phone unlocker tool is installed. So let's open it. So now you can see the many options here like remove Apple ID password, and then remove iTunes backup encryption, and remove the screen time passcode. This is easy. Click on the any option you want. Let's say I want this one. Click on it, and then you have to do a couple of steps like connecting your phone, and then click on the remove now. This will remove your Apple ID password without resetting your phone. So I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys like the video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.